Looking for stunning 3D architectural designs that bring your vision to life? Hey guys, I'm Assad Baluch, a 3D visualizer with 5 years of experience in architectural modeling and rendering. And I'm here to turn your ideas into breathtaking reality. Whether you need 3D house plans, interior and exterior renders, photorealistic visuals, or animation walkthroughs, I've got you covered. What you'll get: high-quality SketchUp modeling, photorealistic interior and exterior renders 2K and 4K animations, and virtual tours walkthrough videos for a real-life experience. Let's make your dream project a reality. Click the link in the description and get started today. Message me before placing your order.